Welcome to Watercolor Wednesdays with Amberstone Draws. Today we are going to start focusing on part 2 of our bottle labels. And this step is going to need some scratch paper. You can use post-it notes or sketchbook paper, notebook paper, and you can even use like copy paper. This step is just conceptualizing. And this is how I do it. You can do whatever way works best for you, but this is just the easiest way for me to do it. So what I do is I keep track of names of things that I want to use, like zebrafy, after this really cool moth I found one time that had spots and stripes on it, and I thought it'd be really neat to focus on that for a bottle label to make, like, maybe it gives you zebra stripes. And this would be part of my Madame Mims line. Those are more bright and colorful ones that do a specific thing. They're not potion ingredients. I also am working on something for somebody else, so we're gonna do night market, special pours. And this, during this phase, this is kind of like a brainstorming phase. So just kind of write down whatever comes to mind. Don't lick the puppet. Come on. Out of here. Okay, thank you. So sometimes I'll keep books of things and refer back to it when I'm having a day that I'm doing stuff. Like here we have Vampire Deterrent. Fae Be Gone. Just any time you think of anything, just jot it down. You never know when it'll come in handy for a bottle. But these are some good ones to work with today, so we'll start with this. Now, the first thing I do is I'll pick one of these to work on. Like right now, I'm gonna do zebrafy. And since I had already been thinking about this one, I think I'm gonna make it kind of a round top one. Okay. And this is the, well, this is actually the really hard part. I think we could do some other stuff, like... Alrighty, here we go. So this is gonna be just a lot of trial and error and doodling around until you get something that you actually like. But we are going to look at zebrafy right now. And then maybe we'll move on to some of these others. And what we're going to do is we're going to sketch a lot, and then we're going to try to finalize one of these designs. So here we go. Hmm. Now the night market special pour is gonna be some okay. It looks like we've got some stuff to go on now, but basically, like, once you have one that you think is going to be a good one, what you're then gonna do is, before you get too crazy on it, once you've got your design pretty well down, now we're gonna try to find a bottle. Now, you would normally want to go try to find a bottle before this stage. But if you're like me, you have about 1 billion bottles lying around your house. So chances are you've probably found a bottle that you like or have a bottle in mind. It's a good idea to actually completely have that bottle in mind before you start this stage, just because you're going to want to tailor this to that unique bottle. But since I have 1 billion bottles around the house, and one of these is actually for somebody else, I'm just doing whatever. But anyway, now that we've got a semi-solid design down, we're gonna go grab a bottle. So here we're looking at a whole bunch of bottles and piles of random things like bones. But the final design that we decided on for one of the bottles was pretty wide, and the other one is going to be fairly short. We're going to focus on that wide one, find something cool. This would be an excellent size, but I don't want orange. Cheesecloth. I don't want blue either. For zebrify, I'm thinking either black, white, or we'll think about that some more. Ooh. Hey, now that, if that were just a little bit taller, that would be perfect. But You have to look at them and see if you can imagine things on them. There's another box of bottles lying around here somewhere. But I think this will do for a zebrafly. Okay. Okay, that's it for part 2 of our bottle labels. Stay tuned when I show you guys how to actually finish the drawing and stuff. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.